Namaskar. These days, mosquitoes seem to be everywhere. You sit down in the evening to relax and buzz, they are there. One mosquito and then another. Before you know it, your peaceful stay becomes a battleground, and most people then quickly reach for mosquito coil, sprays or creams. But these commercial repellents contain strong chemicals. Yes, they may keep mosquitoes away for some time, but they can also irritate your skin, affect your breathing, and are especially harmful to children over time. Your intentions are good to protect your loved ones, but unknowingly you may be doing more harm than good. But there is a better way. Natural, gentle, and also effective. Today, I will show you how to make 3 simple but effective mosquito repellents. These are safe for your body, your home, and for your family. A nourishing body oil, a light water-based spray, and a calming candle you can use in the evening. And at the end, I'll also share a traditional tip for nighttime protection. So first thing is, let us make mosquito repellent body oil. This oil is light, fragrant, and works by masking your scent from the mosquitoes so that they can't bite you. Citronella oil has been used as a natural repellent for years, and even studies are now showing that it can be effective in protection from mosquito. To make it, you will need 2 tablespoons cold pressed coconut oil or neem oil, 10 drops citronella essential oil, 10 drops lemongrass essential oil, 5 drops eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Optional is 3 drops of lavender oil if you like the gentle smell of lavender. Mix all these ingredients well. Store in a dark glass bottle. Every evening, take a few drops and apply on your body, arms, necks, and legs, wherever your skin is exposed. It's completely natural and smells refreshing. But don't forget just to do a patch test if you have a sensitive skin. Next, let's make a water-based spray. If you don't want to use oil during the day, you can make a lighter spray which you can use around the house or even spray on your clothes. To make this, you will need 30 ml distilled water, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 10 drops citronella oil, 5 drops eucalyptus or tea tree oil. Mix them well and store in a spray bottle. Shake well before you use. Spray it on your clothes, curtains, or even your yoga mats. You can also use it lightly on your skin when you are indoor or sitting near a window. It's gentle and smells earthy and fresh. The next remedy is a mosquito repellent candle for your evenings. Evenings are when mosquitoes are most active. At that time, instead of burning a chemical coil, you can make your own natural repellent candle. You will need soya wax, a few drops of thyme, patchouli oil, a glass jar, and a wick. Melt the wax, stir in the oil, place the wick and let it set. Light this candle in the evening. It will gently fill your home with mosquito repellent aroma. There will be no fumes, no irritation, just calm natural protection. And now let me give you a traditional Indian method for nighttime protection. In this, every day before you sleep, apply a little neem oil or mustard oil behind your ears and on your feet. This simple traditional tip can help keep insects away at night and protect you while you are resting. You can also burn a few dried neem leaves in the evening. It's a time-tested way to keep your space pure and mosquito-free. You see, when you protect yourself with nature, you are not just keeping mosquitoes away, you are taking care of your skin, your breath, and your immunity. Try this for 1 week. You will notice fewer mosquito bites, better sleep, and a feeling of lightness. Let nature protect and support you even while you are in sleep. Namaskar.